PuniPuni waffles. Let's make some squishy waffles. Cover your molds with a thin layer of Vaseline to act as a barrier between the mold and the gel. Mix the gel according to bottle instructions with just a couple drops of pigment and combine until smooth and uniform. Here we made a lighter color to put in the mold first, to act as varying bread color spots on the waffles. Fill the rest of the mold with your main waffle color. By mixing before the first layer cures, they'll blend together. We add a bit of the dark color to the whipped cream to act like chocolate syrup details when cured. Top up with white. Fill the butter and the berries. Let cure completely, then demold by rolling slowly away from the mold and pulling, being careful not to rip it. Layer up your waffles. Add your waffles to one of our PVC keychain bags to squish mess-free on the go.